Peristeen Plus is a transanal irrigation system that helps people with neurogenic bowel dysfunction manage fecal incontinence and/or constipation. It is easy to assemble and use. The easy-to-connect catheter provides an audible and tactile indication when connected correctly, and it is designed to stay in place during irrigation thanks to the inflatable balloon. The catheter has a hydrophilic coating and is for single use only. The Peristeen Plus gray tube connector is easy to connect to the water bag lid, and the tube with the turquoise connector is easy to attach to the control unit. The control unit is easy to use. Symbols are intuitive, easy to remember and to distinguish. The knob provides a good grip and is easy to turn. Peristeen Plus tubes and control unit must be replaced after a maximum of 90 uses. After 15 uses, the water bag needs to be replaced. The screw top must be kept when replacing the water bag, as a new one is only provided with a full system. Peristeen Plus is portable, compact, and lightweight for optimal mobility, allowing users to do the procedure at home or on the go, so they can feel more confident and in control of their bowel movements.